Alternative medicine gives us many natural remedies that are very effective, and their components are very well known for their utility and efficiency. One of the best ingredients for our health is castor oil and baking soda. They can treat up to 24 common health problems, which proves how effective home remedies can really be. Castor oil is recommended for the treatment of many diseases and conditions, even in the case when conventional drugs are of no use at all. One of the most appreciated remedies that combine both ingredients, both castor oil and baking soda, is used to fix blood circulation problems. This is how you prepare it. Remedy made of castor oil to improve your circulation. You'll need baking soda, castor oil, 1 piece of clean gauze, 1 bottle of hot water, 1 plastic sheet, 1 hand towel. Do the following: clean your skin with baking soda before and after using the pad. Dip the gauze in castor oil and put it to the affected area. Cover it with a plastic sheet and put the bottle of hot water over it. Wrap it in a towel and keep it still for at least an hour. Benefits of castor oil for your health. 1. Conditions affecting the vocal cords and nodules in the throat can be cured by applying a layer of castor oil on the neck. 2. Castor oil can effectively eliminate the pilonidal fistula. 3. To cure allergies, take 5 drops of castor oil a day. 4. In order to treat eye allergies, rub a bit of castor oil on the eyelids before going to bed. 5. It is used to effectively treat burns, cuts, and bruises. 6. To cure an ankle injury as soon as possible, put a layer of castor oil on it. 7. To reduce and prevent stretch marks, massage them with castor oil. 8. A mixture of baking soda and castor oil can remove dark spots on the face. 9. Put a drop of castor oil in your eyes before going to bed to cure cataracts. 10. Take a couple of drops of castor oil every day to reduce the effects of nicotine and alcohol addiction. 11. Massage your scalp with castor oil every day to make your hair grow like crazy. 12. A couple of drops of castor oil in your ears will dramatically improve your hearing. 13. Drink 6 to 8 drops of this oil for 4 months to cure tinnitus. 14. The application of castor oil as a compress will reduce back pain. 15. Apply castor oil on your stomach to treat diarrhea. 16. In order to remove warts, rub them with castor oil for a month. 17. Daily application of castor oil can cure yeast infections on the feet, such as athlete's foot. 18. Massage the soles of the feet with castor oil regularly to reduce calcium deposits. 19. To get rid of the moles, rub some castor oil on them, and watch them disappear after only 1 month. 20. The hyperactivity can be treated by applying castor oil on the stomach. 21. Castor oil is one of the best remedies for hepatitis. 22. A mixture of baking soda and castor oil can be used to treat cancer. 23. Apply castor oil on insect bites to reduce swelling and itching. 24. Apply castor oil on the stomach for 2 weeks to stop snoring. Now you know it, start using castor oil at once. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.